식당, 식당. 식당에 사람이 많아요. 식당에서 친구와 점심을 먹어요. 이 식당 음식이 맛있어요. 테이블, 의자, 자리, 테이블, 테이블을 닦아요. 테이블이 좁아요. 테이블 좀 치워주세요. 의자, 의자에 앉아요. 의자에 가방이 있어요. 의자가 하나 더 필요해요. 자리,
In Korean, 자리 means a place where someone sits or stays. In a restaurant, it can refer to a seat or a table where you can eat. On a bus or in a classroom, it usually means an available seat. So, asking 자리 있어요? In a restaurant means, is there a place for me to dine? In these situations, the same question can mean, is this seat available or is someone sitting here? Either way, the question is used to check if a space is available.
자리에 앉아요. 2명 자리 있어요? 창가 자리 있어요?
Quiz time.
의자, 식당, 테이블, 자리, 물, 물병, 컵, 정수기,
There are usually two main ways to get water in a Korean restaurant. First, once you take a seat, a server will bring a cold water bottle and some cups to the table. You can just pour the water into your cup and drink. If the bottle is empty, you can say 물 좀 더 주세요, which means more water please. The second way is self-service. If you see a sign on the wall that says 물은 셀프, it means you need to get your own water from the water dispenser. Usually the cups are right next to the dispenser, but sometimes they're inside a UV sterilizer. If that's the case, just open the door, grab a cup, and help yourself. In most Korean restaurants, water is free. You can drink as much as you want without ordering it or paying extra.
물, 물 좀 더 주세요. 물은 셀프예요. 물을 마셔요. 물병, 테이블에 물병이 있어요. 물병이 비었어요. 물병 좀 주세요. 컵 좀 주세요. 컵에 물을 따라요. 컵이 깨졌어요. 정수기 정수기가 저쪽에 있어요. 정수기에서 물을 받아요. 정수기 옆에 컵이 있어요. 숟가락, 젓가락, 수저, 숟가락, 숟가락을 써요. 숟가락으로 국을 먹어요. 숟가락을 떨어뜨렸어요. 젓가락, 젓가락을 써요. 젓가락으로 김밥을 집어요. 젓가락으로 라면을 먹어요.
In Korean, a set of a spoon and chopsticks is called sujo. Most sujo in Korea are made of metal, usually stainless steel. Typically, Koreans use the spoon for rice and soup, and chopsticks for side dishes. However, some people eat rice with chopsticks or use a spoon for softer side dishes.
수저, 수저를 꺼내요. 수저를 놓아요. 수저가 없어요.
Quiz time.
물, 젓가락, 컵, 정수기, 수저, 물병, 숟가락, 수저통, 냅킨, 휴지, 물티슈, 수저통,
How you get your sujo can vary from restaurant to restaurant. First, some places have a utensil holder right on the table. In that case, you can just take out a spoon and chopsticks yourself. These days, many restaurants have a drawer under the table. You'll usually find a small drawer on the right or left side, where these sujo and napkins are kept. Sometimes, wet wipes are also provided inside. Just open the drawer and take what you need. There are also restaurants where you might not see any utensils on the table at all. In those cases, a server will usually bring you sujo inside a paper sleeve. Most of the time, both the spoon and chopsticks are inside together.
수저통에서 수저를 꺼내요. 수저통이 비어 있어요. 수저통 어디 있어요? 냅킨, 휴지. 냅킨 좀 주세요. 냅킨이 없어요. 휴지로 입을 닦아요. 물티슈. 물티슈로 손을 닦아요. 물티슈가 없어요. 물티슈 하나 주세요. 앞접시. 앞접시.
In Korean restaurants, small plates called apjeopsi are very common. An apjeopsi is a personal plate for taking small portions of food. Since Koreans often share large dishes from the center of the table, these plates let each person take their own portion. They're also great for letting hot food cool down before eating. Many restaurants provide these plates with the meal, but if you need more, just ask the server, 앞접시 좀 주세요.
앞접시 좀 주세요. 앞접시가 필요해요. 앞접시에 덜어 먹어요. 앞치마. 앞치마.
Many Korean restaurants provide aprons for customers. They are used to protect clothes from oil splatters while grilling meat or sauce splatters from spicy stews. Usually, these aprons hang on the restaurant walls, so people can just grab one and put it on before eating.
앞치마 어디 있어요? 앞치마를 입어요. 앞치마를 하고 음식을 먹어요.
Quiz time.
물티슈. 앞치마. 앞접시. 냅킨. 수저통. 가위. 집게.
In Korea, scissors are very common for cutting food into bite-sized pieces. Restaurants provide scissors and tongs when food needs to be cut, such as meat, kimchi, or large pieces of seafood. People use the tongs to hold the food steady while cutting it with the scissors. Scissors are also used to cut long noodles, like in naengmyeon. At barbecue restaurants, tongs are essential. They are used not only for holding the meat while cutting it, but also for flipping and moving it on the grill.
가위. 가위로 고기를 잘라요. 가위 좀 주세요. 가위가 잘 안 들어요. 집게. 집게가 필요해요. 집게 좀 주세요. 집게로 고기를 뒤집어요. 국자, 냄비, 버너, 국자, 국자로 국을 떠요. 국자가 냄비 안에 빠졌어요. 여기 국자 좀 주세요. 냄비, 냄비에 찌개가 있어요. 냄비가 뜨거워요. 냄비 손잡이 잡지 마세요. 버너,
In some Korean restaurants, the tables have a built in burner, or a portable gas burner is placed on the table. Koreans often refer to these simply as pono or pul. These burners allow customers to cook or heat food right at the table. This way, meat can be grilled and eaten immediately while hot, and dishes like jjigae can stay steaming until the very last bite. Some dishes are fully cooked in the kitchen before being served, but in Korea it is also common to cook or heat food at the table while eating. Usually, a server will turn on the burner, and customers then adjust the heat themselves while cooking the food.
버너 불을 켜요. 버너 불을 꺼요. 버너에 냄비를 올려요.
Quiz time.
가위, 냄비, 버너, 집게, 국자,